think I'm live again. Okie dokie. Let's see when I crash again. I have never had this issue before. Aye. There we were. And Godot. Boop 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 boop. Thank you. Thank you. Cable. There we go. Nope. Okay. Thought I dropped my cable. Come on, Godot. You can do it, I promise. Okay. Try running it again. Don't remember where the issue happened. Either way, it works. Okay. Let's see. Export. Export project. Let's make a new folder. Builds. Gradle daemon isn't running, and etc. Needs to do all the steps again. Stupid hay fever. I'm Dutch, so I need to complain about stuff. If I'm not constantly complaining, then my Dutch passport will be stolen. That's how it works. Well, stolen isn't the word. The Dutchness police will come and they'll take it, but it's all legal. There we go. Build successful, I think. Downloads. New window. Dev. Builds. Where are you from? Where are you from? You've asked me where I'm from, but I haven't asked you where you're from. The Faroe Islands. Ooh, in the tippy top. With the white flag with a Scandinavian cross. Is it black and yellow? Or blue and yellow? Or is it blue and red? White flag with blue and red. Ah, right. Almost got it. Phone link. Open phone screen. There we go. Files. Update app. There we go. But yeah, Faroe Islands. I want to visit the Faroe Islands, actually. Because I'm a... Well, first of all, because it's... From what I've seen in videos and images, it's fucking beautiful. And second of all, because there's like a spaceport there now, isn't there? It's called Saxaford Spaceport. Is it on the Faroe Islands? Or is it still on the mainland? Well, I mean, I'm Dutch. I'm used to having like more rainy days than dry days. As in the Shetland Islands. Shetland Islands and Faroe Islands probably. Shetland Islands are right next to Scotland, right? And Faroe Islands are a bit further up. Right? I can just scroll down. I don't need to fucking search. Those are the Faroes. Those are the Shetlands, if I remember correctly. No, those are the Shetlands. Those are the Faroes. Oh, okay. And it's called mainland. I mean, I don't want to be rude to the people who live there, but it's clearly not the mainland. It's an island. I mean, isn't everything an island? But Orkney. Orkney Islands. Are those the Orkney Islands? Orkney is a name that's familiar to me. Faroe Islands. Tórshavn. That's the capital. I know that. Is that Tórshavn? Is that named after? It's probably not. After the god Thor. A haven is probably harbor. So is it like a something something harbor? But is it like a isn't Thor a Thor? Isn't that also like a hill or something? Or a village? What is Thor? It's Thor's harbor. So it is. Okay. Roughly translated. Oh, Thor's harbor. Okay. Haven, simply meaning harbor. City center is protected by the port, by the long Nolly Island. Lies outside the capital. Oh, yeah, I can see how that would protect it from like big waves and stuff. From the roughest part of the seas. Okay. How often you live in Midtvekur? Where is that? I can probably find it. Mid, probably middle. Okay. Mid on Vegar Island. Over here. Okay. Ooh, there's an airport. Where is it? Is that this region over here? Probably is, given that everything... But there's no, like, name tag. What's here? Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's shoo, nice. I mean, it's fucking beautiful, isn't it? Nice sidewalks. You probably know everyone. It says it's Sandefjord. You like it. I mean, how is like the cost of living and stuff there? For like, I imagine that groceries are more expensive than on like mainland UK or something. Does Street View stop there? Quite expensive. Yeah. I can imagine. Like a nice... Oh, look at that. That's the image I wanted. Like a port and stuff. Fishing boats. Like fish traps or something. Imagine like living in this village, going for a walk up here. Like a picnic with this view. There's your house. I mean, yeah. Oh. You know, the world is a beautiful place. And we shouldn't F it up. There we go. Okay, so we've got this window with the title. But what we were doing was getting the geolocation. So, get Kraken. Get Kraken. Stupid bots. Ben, have you ever been to Delft? Actually, I went through Delft today on the train. So, but I didn't exit the train. Delft. So I went on the train. Well, something I like to do to relax is I like to read in a train. So I've got a it's probably a luxury for someone who lives on such a tiny island, but I've got a card, an overchip card, to like travel an unlimited amount for like 50 euros a month in the weekend. And I live here in Zutphen. And I went on the train to Arnhem. Then in Arnhem, I took the train through Utrecht, through Amsterdam, and then through The Hague and Delft to Dordrecht. And then from there, I took the train all the way back. But this train goes through Delft, here between Rotterdam and The Hague. Delft is a nice city, I think. I've never really visited it myself. I live in Zutphen, like I said. And Zutphen is also a very beautiful city. Let's see. But the programming that I do, yeah, that's my hobby. Yeah. Normally I work here. This is the museum. I work for the museum. And yes, I used to be a software engineer, but I'm not anymore. I took an arrow to the knee. Now I do stuff like painting walls and 3D printing stuff and 3D design, like functional 3D design for work. I mean, we could. It's all, yeah. We also have water here. Let me show you. We've got a river going through the city. There you go. See, beautiful river. This is a bit I'm just skipping through everything, of course. Over here. And we've also got like quite beautiful lakes and stuff in my city. What was the building doing in the sky? I know, right? I presumed that when that picture was taken, there was like a Lovecraftian horror being invading at the time and wanting to retain the last bits of my sanity. I quickly skipped that picture. But yeah, I quite like the city. I was born here, and then, of course, I moved to a bigger city to study. But I came back. So, geolocation. We've got Git Kraken open. Let's see, what have we changed? We did some... Sure. And let's push this all. Okay, push successful. So we've got this little code thingy. This function. Let's add a label. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Let's add a couple labels. Label. let how do you rename it? You just F2, okay. Let lon control theme overrides font size 32. Okay. So we need request location. How do you oh, for the wrapper that we need. Okay. Copy the location wrapper location. Okay. Do they have releases? Nope. Okay. Download zip. Scripts. Geolocation wrapper. Okay. Project autoload. Project settings. Autoload. Project. Project. I did that. Over here. Over there. But I need to do this step. Add the geolocation wrapper to the project autoload. But where is that? If I go to project, there is no autoload thing here. So project settings, maybe? Globals. This is globals. Autoload. There it is. Open a file, scripts, geolocation wrapper, add. As geolocation wrapper, yep. Okay, close. Okay. The class for our geolocation wrapper, the ready method. Okay. What does this do? Ooh, hello. Always fun when... Why aren't there commas? Right? Right? They should have commas after them. That's why this is crashing. Always fun when the API doesn't fucking work. Okay. Reboot. Why is it? Is it crashing because it's asking for permission on a device that doesn't have... discard. Use tab character, but there is no... Oh, there are tabs. Okay. Okay. Should be... Don't know if I trust that. Let's try again. Why are you crashing? Could not parse global class location request from... Oh! Should they be in like the main directory? Because I've got them in like a level down. Should they be in like the top directory, in the home directory, in the resource directory? Wait, what? No, it is calling it in the right location. In like the script geolocation wrapper location request.gd. Class name location request. So there's a class location request over here. Yield was removed. Yield was removed. Yield was removed. This is old code. Why is it old code? Because this is old. So we probably... Do we want to use old code? Do I want to clean this up? Or do I want to actually learn how it works? Implement it myself. Yeah, there's also all these other issues, right? Over here. These like callable errors or whatever. Oh, that's not what I meant. Try using await. Okay, sure. Yield. That should be not like that. Not like what? Tell me what I need to do. Yeah, so like that. Await. geolocation API dot authorization changed. Fix using Copilot. Okay. So location request extends reference. Could not find class reference. Ref counted. Is that correct? Okay. Okay. Ref counted. Save. Let's try starting again. Okay. Location watcher. Let's do location watcher next. It's another yield. Do 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 do. Another one. Do 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 do. And this again needs to be ref counted, right? Why is it doing object? I thought we said it should be ref counted instead of reference. Okay, now all of these connects in geolocation wrapper. These should be callables, right? Is this correct? Yep, thank you. I noticed that was the pattern, but I was lazy, hence Copilot, right? Okay, except if it's not correct, we can also always Control Z them. Okay. Static function getTix msec not found. Is that another deprecated method? Okay. So another method that is deprecated does not exist in the OS class. You should. Ah! This is a fucking cycle. Okay, time.get msec. Oh, wrong one. Oh, by the way, I've got this thing. I've got channel points, but I didn't have anything to use them. So now since a little while, I've got this thing. But I don't know if it works
You
right
can
now.
do TTS messages.
It works. Time. Okay, looks like geolocation wrapper is fixed now. Let's restart. Probably another one. Yeah. Go ahead. In location.gd. Okay. Pull string array. Godot. Okay, packed string array. Prospect. It is that. Does that work? Nope, it doesn't. So string array dot join. Join to output. So we've got var output a packed string array. While output dot size output dot, that doesn't sound logical. String delimiter join. Turn string. There we go. Is that what I need? Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Now we need to change all of these. Why is it? Replace all. There we go. Okay, invalid arguments. Fix using Copilot. That's another one of those callable thingies, right? Let's see if we launch now. Nope. Tab character. Flipping heck. Why is it? Why does it keep reverting? I save? And then I switch? Still spaces? And now it stabs. You can see the flipping icon. It's over there. Why does launching the game change spaces to tabs? Do I need text editor? Indent spaces 2. Okay. There we go. Let's close the code editor. There we go. Okay. We're launching. I'm happier than I'm showing. Okay. So we fixed all the obvious issues. Now, of course, the question is, does it launch on my phone? So let's try that out. Okay. That was a nice quick build. Do-do, do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. 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 App installed. It launches. Very nice. Okay. Thank you. That's very nice of you. Now we need to get the GPS cords. This one. Let's make a little function thingy. Func update. What location labels? That looks quite logical. Except, of course, that I don't have print. I do. Print is just to the console, right? But I want to like have like text boxes of that, labels. So let's just use this sample code, which we need to update. Because we've got a yield thingy here that we need to change to a weight. What? Await request dot location update. We need parentheses. We need to have it not indented. Do we need parentheses? It's a method call, right? Is it a method call? Or is it a method assignment thingy? It's an assignment thingy. Okay. This is all in stupid four spaces indent stuff. Print. Update location labels. Authorization status in base nil. What's the call stack? It's gonna be from like the first line, isn't it? Yep. Authorization status is nil. Request location auto permission. Oh, but wait. I think, if I remember correctly, actually, oh, flipping heck. Really? Someone updated them to 4.2. See, they added those commas that we did. They did those OS get ticks. They did a string join. Okay. Ref counted. Awaits instead of yields. Ref counted. Awaits instead of yields. I'm slightly annoyed. But I will replace my code with his. Because the chance isn't 0. You know what? Let's commit first. Okay. Let's see what he changed. Do I need to have you not be running or something? Oh, wait. This is the wrong flipping folder. Here. Scripts. Geolocation wrapper. Replace. There we go. Let's see what changed. I think I closed the wrong file. There we go. This is the one I need. Replace. There we go. Okay. Need some changes in the signal connection thingies or something. Okay. Reload from disk. Let's see if you launch. You don't. Why don't you launch? Non-existent function authorization status. What happens if we just don't ask for permission? Oh, we have to. We have to. Okay. Wait, why isn't it going? Go to definition. Init. Nope. New location request. Request. Authorization status. Authorization status in base nil. So geolocation plugin is not set to anything in geolocation wrapper. Okay. Geolocation API. I need to set the location of the geolocation API. That's it. Over here. Wait, do I need to add the API or something? How would I do that? Add node. Scenes. Geolocation test scene. I should just download this, shouldn't I? But I should also go to bed, because it's like midnight, and I've got work tomorrow. So, I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for joining me. I had a lot of fun. I learned quite a bit, and I'll continue learning more. Maybe tomorrow even. I've got a Discord, where I talk sometimes. I will be streaming more, yeah. I tend to not really have a schedule for streaming. I tend to just stream whenever I get a moment. But announcements for streams are quite often posted in my Discord. So you can join there. And of course, you can follow me on Twitch over here to get a pop-up when I go live. But also in the Discord channel, I send out a notification to everyone when I go live. So thanks for joining. I hope to see you again later. I had a really great time with you, asocial sociopath. None of your sociopathic tendencies showed through today. So that was really great. Your name is Afi. Efi? Afi? Efi? Afi? How do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? I miss. Extendable firmware interface. Your name is not extendable firmware interface. Pronounced Afi. Effie. But that's is it the Greek name? Effie. Okay. Well, thanks for joining me, Effie. I'll probably forget that name. So you'll have to you have to excuse me in advance, because I'm really bad at names. If I wasn't born with it, I'd forget my own name. So Ephraim. Ah, okay. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again in a future stream. Great. Then I won't feel as bad. Thanks for joining me. See you again later. Yeah, I want to use this game. I want to play this game, and also this shouldn't be too difficult of a project. I mean, I've got ideas, but this should be a project which theoretically, if I were to spend a couple of weeks of time on, I should be able to finish. And in turn, that will give me the knowledge and confidence to work on other ideas for geolocation